A single negatively charged particle with a charge of negative 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulomb is traveling horizontally out of the computer screen and perpendicular to a magnetic field B that runs horizontally from left to right across the screen. In what direction will the force experienced by the charge act? So we can say this charge is traveling out of the computer screen, so we show it like that, and B is going to be from left to right, it's going to be like that. Now we can use the right hand rule. You need to use your right hand. Thumb is going to go toward velocity direction, which will be like that. B, 4 fingers is going to go toward magnetic field direction, and then palm shows the force. So if we do it in such a way that we keep the thumb in velocity direction, B in 4 fingers, palm is gonna go up. But here we are dealing with a negatively charged particle. This is very, very important. If it was a positive charged particle, that would be correct. Force is going up. But since it is a negatively charged particle, it must go down for negative charge. So how do we deal with these negative charges? We use our right hand and then we flip the final answer. If it's north, it's going south. If it's right, we're going to make it left. If it's come out of the page, we're going to make it go into the page. Or there is another method to do that. Instead of using right hand rule, you're going to use left hand rule. So you have 2 options. Please stick to one of them. Either use your left hand rule with the same procedure, or you use the right hand rule and then you flip the direction for negative charge. That's how we deal with the magnetic force of negative charge. So in this example, the answer is going to be, it is going toward south.